Hi, this is attorney Rob Wells here from the Law Office of Robert M. Wells. Our office specializes in landlord and tenant issues. In this video, we're going to further talk about the California COVID-19 relief for landlords and tenants. Well, as of this morning, when we go to the COVID-19 relief site for the state, there is still no application available, despite them telling us that the applications would be available this morning on March 15th, but there's a little bit more information. Let's go take a look at what the state has here. So if you go to the housingiskey.gov website, you will see the same information about if you're a landlord, if you're a tenant, because both landlord or tenant can apply for rental assistance under the California's state program under SB 91 to get relief for past due rent, which has accrued from April 1st of 2020 through March 31st of 2021. I'll talk about landlords here in particular because there are a lot of requirements for landlords. And you can get this information at housing.ca.gov COVID-RR. The link, we'll put the links up for you here. A little bit more information that we had than today, this morning, other than what we had last week, is we do have a landlord's checklist. We'll put this link here. It basically overs the eligibility requirements and documentation that a landlord will need. So our recommendation is, while the application is still pending to be released online, and you can apply online, go gather this information off this checklist here. Some other information we do have as well too is that's just the general information checklist here, but you'll notice here that there's a link for local partner network resources, and I only mention this because particularly in Solano County, for example, they have chosen a hybrid approach where the state of California will be administering some of the funds and the Solano County itself will be managing a portion of funds, because under the CARES Act and all the federal assistance, the county has directly received federal funds. So they apparently, at least for Solano County, have partnered with two community services, Community Action of North Bay and Northern California Land Trust. There may be others that are in the works, but as of now, those are the partners in Solano County. Their information will be listed below. You can go find this information on the local partner network link, and we'll link that in the video as well too. But sorry to say, the application is still not available. It will probably be available hopefully sometime this week. And despite that, I would prepare for, the website to be a little bit slower than usual, because probably everyone else is anticipating filing an application online. I think the best things you can do right now is gather the information that the state is going to require based off the Landlord's Checklist and the COVID-19 program information list. So things again that you'll need to get are proof of ownership of the of your property, such as a deed, mortgage statement, property tax statement, and so forth. Getting your lease agreements ready and being prepared to enter information about what rent is actually past due and so forth. And remember, landlords, your tenants will have to verify their tenancy and answer a few questions, or else the application will be deemed incomplete. So probably now's the time, if you haven't done so already, to coordinate with your tenants to, submit this application, because again, under the program, from what we've seen, that's where the state will pay the most money, up to 80% of the unpaid rent from April 1st of 2020 through March 31st of 2021. If you don't participate, your tenant is entitled to file their own application, but the tenant will only be able to receive 25% of the past due rent. And that basically is because under SB 91, which extended AB 3088, if a tenant raises 25% or more of the rent, a landlord cannot evict them. And the state's goal is to prevent evictions off of non-payment of rent of COVID-19 related rental debt. So stay tuned. Keep on checking the website. I know a lot of you are anticipating these applications being available, but it looks like it's just going to be a little bit longer than anticipated. And to give the state credit, they are running an unprecedented program and had to put it together within a matter of weeks. So stay tuned and we'll learn more information as it comes in. Take care. Bye-bye.